Industrial pumps are machines used to transport fluids in various industrial settings. They come in a wide variety of types and sizes, each designed for a specific application. Some common types of industrial pumps include centrifugal pumps. These are the most common type of industrial pump, and they use a rotating impeller to create a centrifugal force that moves the fluid. They are versatile and can be used to pump a wide variety of fluids, including water, oil, and chemicals. Positive displacement pumps. These pumps use a mechanism to trap a specific amount of fluid and then force it out of the pump. They are more efficient than centrifugal pumps for moving viscous fluids or fluids against high pressure. Reciprocating pumps. These pumps use a piston or diaphragm to move fluid back and forth. They are good for high-pressure applications and for pumping slurries or other fluids that contain solids. Gear pumps. These pumps use two gears that mesh together to move fluid. They are good for pumping viscous fluids and for applications that require precise flow control. The choice of the right industrial pump for a particular application will depend on a number of factors, including the type of fluid being pumped, the flow rate required, the pressure required, and the viscosity of the fluid. Here are some additional things to consider when choosing an industrial pump. Material compatibility. The pump must be made of materials that are compatible with the fluid being pumped. Seal type. The pump must have a seal that is appropriate for the pressure and temperature of the fluid. Maintenance requirements. The pump should be easy to maintain and repair. Cost. The initial cost of the pump, as well as the ongoing maintenance costs, should be considered. Please check description for HVAC books.